Here we go. Yeah, yeah. Look deep within your mind, look within your heart. Be like the sword and live life sharp. Because nowadays anything could come. That's why we gotta look to the King and be on the run. Don't go numb, feel it in your soul. Don't lose your soul over some gold or the silver, cause it will kill you. I'm trying to spit those words, it's real, bro. I'm telling you, I lived that life once and it was strife. But now I came at the dark and I found the light. I said I found the light flowing to the drums. My body's not numb because I have Christ. Jesus, He is the light, not the dark. So get out the pools and stop hanging out with the sharks. You heard what I told you before. Watch your companies because those people's like sharks. They'll get you up in trouble. They will burst your bubble. But yo, I gotta speak the truth. I'm just freestyling. I still got it, freestyling. Never wildin', straight smiling. Smiling keeps you young. Smiling keeps you young. That's why I gotta show my teeth, they're shining like diamonds. I work hard every day, I don't got time for reclining. Brother Rob, just thought I'd drop a little poetry / freestyle session to you guys. Just showing off the natural talents and the gifts that my Father has installed inside of me. I just want you to feel the melody. Pharisees, you ain't telling me nothing. I put you in your place, just like Christ put you in your place. When He was living on earth, you brought forth the curse. But now my Father works through me, and now I gotta speak the blessing. I work hard every day, I ain't even stressing. Keep going with the session. Yo, I gotta be out, guys. I gotta continue to move on with my life. I just want you guys to enjoy your day and stay away from trouble. Make it through the struggle. Work hard every day and just, I don't know, hustle. There we go. Brother Rob, I love you guys. Take care. Salute.